Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can recover deleted photos and videos on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So if you have deleted something from your smartphone and then you want to get this photo or video back, then you still have a chance to do so as long as you do that within 30 days. So we can open Files app. So let's open all apps and then let's find Files over here. Once we are here, we can tap on these three lines over here in the top left corner, and then we can go to trash. Everything that we remove will be moved to trash first, and then if in 30 days we don't do anything with it, then we can still recover those photos and videos and all files pretty much. So if you want to recover something, simply tap on the circle on the right side, and then you have the restore button. So if you tap on it, you can restore it and have it back without having to worry that it will be gone in 30 days. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!